Hi, I'm Joe from voestalpine Bowler Welding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to tailor the display of your URANOS NX machine to suit your own preferences. Let's get started. On the machine, we have two displays. The first is a 3.5-inch LCD display. The second is this 8-segment LED display. If we want to change the information displayed on the small LED display, we would first press and hold the encoder for 5 seconds. This takes us into the background setup mode. From here, we can select the information that we want to display on this screen. In this case, I want to display the amperage. Using this button here, we would fire this information over to this display, and from here we can save and exit, and we're finished. Okay, so we're often asked if we can actually tailor the amount of information being displayed on the machine to suit the user. In this case, the machine is set to easy. It's displaying wire feed speed and voltage. If you want to display more, we'll press and hold the encoder for 5 seconds. This takes us into the setup mode. From here, go to number 500. And then from there, we can select Advanced or Professional. Press Save. Save and exit. And this now gives us access to the full setup. Wire feed speed, arc voltage, inductance, burn back, post gas, upslope, wire inch. For more information on using Bowler welding machines, please keep an eye out for more videos, or alternatively contact us directly. Thanks again, see you soon.